How to create a presentation from Canva. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily do this. So the first thing you can do is open your web browser and search for canva.com. Go ahead and enter and log into your account. So I'll just continue on with my email right here to continue to log into my account. So once you click on this, you should be able to log in without any problem. Now, from your home page, you have different options. So you can create a poster, sheet, docs, and many more. You just have to click on this presentation option. If you don't see it here, go ahead and click on this more option and you should be able to find presentation there. Now, what I'm going to do is click on presentation from here and click on presentations again. So what kind of presentation you want to create, choose your ratio. So I'll just continue with the standard 16:9. Click on it and it's going to create a blank space for your presentation. And there are a ton of templates you can use as your base. So you can search for anything you want. So let's say if you want to create a business presentation, you can search for keywords like business and hit enter. Should be able to find different presentations here. The ones with the crown here are the pro versions, so you can use any of the free versions that's available. So let me just go ahead and continue with the first option right here. I'll just click on it and click on apply all 19 pages. And once you click on it, all of the pages will be added to your slides. All right, so here is the first thing. So you can add a company logo, company name, company profile. So edit however you want. You can even change the fonts from here. You can change the size of the text, click plus or minus to change the size. And you can also add different information available in audio as well. Now, it is also a kind of video which you can use. So you can see the duration here. You can add the duration for the page and leave it as it is for the presentation to play itself. So as you can see, here are different animations. This is the first slide. Now the second slide is going to come like this, along with the third slide. So there is a lot you can do here, and there is a lot that has already been done, which you can easily edit. And once you are done editing your slides, you could go ahead and click on the share icon, go to download, and there are different options you can export it to. So you're going to choose this PPTX, which is Microsoft PowerPoint document, and it will be downloaded as a PPT document. So that is basically how you create a presentation on Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.